Parallax speech.
Portia's speech.
To bait fish we roam. If it will feed nothing else, it will feed my revenge. He had disgraced me and hindered me $500,000. Laugh at my losses, mock at my gains. Score my nation, thwarted my bargains. Called my friends and hated my enemy.
The quality of mercy is not extreme. It droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven. Upon the place beneath it is the thrice blessed. It blesseth him that gives and him that takes. This mightiest, in the mightiest, it becomes the throne monarchy better than his crown.
And what is reason? I am a Jew, had not a Jew eyes, had not a Jew hands, organ, dimension, senses, affection, passion.
His scepter shows the force of temporal power. It's an attribute to awe and majesty, wherein that seed the dread of fear of kings is attribute to God himself.
Fed by the same food, hurt by the same weapon, subject by the same diseases, hidden by the same means, warm and cold by the same winter and summer.
The earthly power that shows the likeness God, when the mercy seasons justice, therefore judo follow the justice be they play, consider this.
If you prick us, do we not bleed? If you tickle us, do we not laugh? If you poison us, do we not die? And if you wrong us, shall we not revenge?
That in the course of justice none of us should see salvation, we do pray for mercy, and that some prayer that teach us all to render.
If we lack you in rest, we shall resemble you in that. If a Jew wrongs a Christian, what is his humility? Revenge! If a Christian wrongs a Jew, what should his sufferance be? Why, revenge!
The deeds of mercy I have bestowed thus much, to mitigate the justice bids I plead.
The failure you teach me, I will execute it shall go hard, but I will better the instruction.
Which if thou follow the just